Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys 5 split screen ideas you can use for your videos on CapCut PC. So the first one is just like 2 videos. Select this one. I'm just going to select that. And I'm going to select this and I'm going to place it on top. Then I'm going to just select the opacity and I'm just going to kind of like place it where I want the video to be. And this is kind of like where the middle is. So I'm going to select the overlay, go to mask, select horizontal, and I'm going to rotate it this way and I'm going to place it in the middle, which is here. Go back and adjust the opacity and you'll have this 2 frame one. If you want to like add in a line, you can either go to backgrounds or you can use text, but I just find this easier. Select mirror, rotate it and create a line. Okay, so that's the first one. But what if you wanted to add another video like here? So actually I'll add it on this one maybe. Select your video here, go back to basic. And I'm just going to adjust the position to its original one. Scale it to 50%. And you're going to go back to the mask section and let's just delete that. Then I'm just going to place it on the left side of the video. Let's add in another video, maybe this one. I'm going to add it here. And I'm going to type 50% as well, and I'm going to place it down here. Then I'll copy and paste this one. And I'm just going to rotate that. And I'll place it right over here to create this split screen. Okay, now that's 3. But what if I wanted 4? I'll select this and I'm just going to again place it at 50%. And I'll just add it to this side over here. Then I'll add a different video and I'm also going to place it at 50%. And I'm going to place it here. I'm then going to copy and paste this and I'm going to drag it to the right side. Now we have 4 screens. Okay, this one is kind of a different color. I don't really like it. I want everything to be like this blue color. So maybe this one. There we go. Okay. So now we have this round frame. Okay, this is the what, 3rd one? So the 4th one is this round frame. We only need 2 videos. So we'll go back to the original one. I'm going to scale it back and position it back as well. Okay, so on this one, I'm just going to go to mask first actually. Whoops. Make a circle, place it like that. Can make it bigger if you'd like to, and I'm going to place it on the right side. Now I need something so it doesn't clash that much. So we'll go back to the background and add in the white one there. Go back to mask. And again, I'm going to kind of try to mask it the same way I did with the first one. And I'm just going to adjust it like that. If you'd like to feather it out, you can, but it doesn't give like a clean border. Okay, so that's the, oops. I need to make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so that's the 4th one. And the 5th one is, let me just go back and scale it normally. Select the mirror one and you're going to rotate it like this. Okay. Then I'm going to add in another one, this one. And I'll select the horizontal one and I'll split it this way. And I'll try to like match it with that one. Like so. Then to add a line again, you're going to select this. I'll select the mirror one for this one and I'll try to angle it the same way. And I'll just create a line by making the line smaller like that. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.